Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can resize images or photos on Google Docs mobile. So here I have opened a new document on Google Docs, and here I'm going to add the image first. So click on the plus icon, click on image and choose the source. I'm going to just go to from photos. Okay, I've already added the image, and as you guys can see here, if I click on the photo I cannot resize it. So here what you need to do is just click on it and zoom in like this, or you can just click on the three dots icon and first enable the print layout. So this one. Okay, after that, when you click on the image, there will be dots on each edges of the photo. So this can be used to resize the image. So if you want to make it big, just go like this. Okay, just adjust it as you like. You can also make it small or make it big. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.